You think she's ignoring you. You've been watching the timestamps on her messages, noticing the gap between when she reads it and when, or whether, she replies. And right now your brain is telling you that silence means she's moved on. But there's something happening inside her head that you have absolutely no idea about, and by the end of this video, you're going to see her silence in a completely different way. Here's what this is actually about. There are real, documented psychological phenomena, things researchers have studied and named, that explain why a woman can go completely quiet on the outside while thinking about you constantly on the inside. And the last one on this list is the one almost nobody talks about. It's the one that will genuinely change how you read her behavior. So let's get into it. Start with this. Psychologist Bluma Zygarnik found that people tend to have a better memory for tasks that are interrupted or incomplete than for tasks that have been completed. That's called the Zygarnik effect, and it has everything to do with your situation. Think about the last conversation you two had. Did it end cleanly, with a full resolution, or did it end mid-thought, mid-joke, mid-tension? Because if it was the second one, her brain doesn't simply file that away. It actively prioritizes it, creating a persistent mental loop that demands resolution. She's not choosing to think about you. The Zygarnik effect is the power of unfinished business to hold a privileged place in memory. Unfinished things weigh more heavily on the mind and are more easily recalled than things that are complete. So that conversation that ended weird, that moment that never got resolved, her brain has kept that tab open. Not because she's obsessing, because that's just how human memory works. And here's where it gets interesting, because this next one is even harder to see coming. Involuntary autobiographical memories, what researchers call IAMs, are memories that come to mind with no deliberate attempt at retrieval. She's not sitting there thinking about you on purpose. She's driving to work, she hears a song, and suddenly you're in her head. She walks past a restaurant, she smells something familiar, and there you are again. The average frequency of these involuntary memories is in the order of roughly 20 per day. 20 times a day, her brain pulls up a memory without her permission. And if you are cognitively relevant to her, meaning her brain has tagged you as someone who matters, a huge chunk of those 20 daily flashes are going to land on you. She's not texting you. She's also not forgetting you. Those are two very different things. So now you understand the memory side of this, but there's also something happening with her attention that most guys completely miss. Once someone is mentally significant to you, your attention system starts working for them automatically. It's the same mechanism behind what people call the Baader-Meinhof phenomenon. You learn a new word, then suddenly you hear it everywhere. The word was always there. You just started noticing it. The same thing happens with her and anything connected to you. She sees something that reminds her of an inside joke you had. She hears a reference you would have made. She notices things linked to you more during a quiet phase, not less. Her brain has essentially flagged you as relevant, and now it keeps surfacing evidence of that relevance, whether she wants it to or not. Now here's the thing that most people never consider, and this one is going to reframe everything. When she goes quiet, the natural assumption is that she stopped caring. But attachment research makes a very clear distinction between two completely different things: avoidant deactivation and genuine disinterest. Genuine disinterest is when someone stops engaging internally and externally. Deactivation is when someone suppresses the outward signals of attachment while the internal engagement stays completely intact. She goes quiet. She delays replies. She acts unbothered. And she does all of that specifically because the feelings are strong enough to feel destabilizing. The silence isn't evidence that nothing is there. In a lot of cases, the silence is the evidence that something is. And here's what makes this even harder to read from the outside. There's a behavior she's probably doing right now that leaves absolutely no trace. Researchers who study phone behavior have identified something called passive checking. It's distinct from active messaging. It's when someone looks at your name in a group chat, hovers over your contact, opens a conversation, and closes it without typing anything. It leaves no notification, no read receipt, no sign that it happened at all. And studies show this kind of behavior is far more common than people assume, precisely because it's invisible. She's not reaching out. She's also not absent. She's doing something in between that you will never see unless you know to look for it. If you're finding this useful, go ahead and subscribe. I break this kind of psychology down in plain language every week, and the next video covers something just as counterintuitive about attraction. Drop a comment below too. Tell me, does this change how you're reading her silence right now? Because I want to know. All right, here's the one that ties all of this together. The one I mentioned at the start that almost nobody realizes is happening. It's called the spotlight effect, and it works like this. People consistently overestimate how much others are noticing their behavior. You feel like your silence is loud. You feel like other people are watching your every move. And she feels the exact same way about her own quietness toward you. She is more aware of the fact that she's gone quiet than you are. Her going silent comes with an entire internal monologue about you, what you're thinking, whether you've noticed, what it means that she hasn't reached out. The silence you're reading as indifference is, for her, anything but quiet on the inside. She's narrating it. She's thinking through it. And ironically, the more she's thinking about you, the more self-conscious she becomes about reaching out, which makes the silence stretch even longer. So here's what you actually know now. Her brain is holding on to unfinished conversations, because that's what human memory does with incomplete things. She's getting hit with involuntary flashes of you throughout her day without deciding to. Her attention system is surfacing reminders of you automatically. The silence itself might be a sign of emotional regulation, not absence. She's likely doing invisible low-effort check-ins you'll never see, and she's probably more aware of her own quiet than you are, and thinking about you because of it. You started this video thinking silence meant she was gone. What you actually have is a map of what's happening beneath the surface. The question now is what you do with it, and that's exactly what the next video is about.